What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to another video about Compound, which I haven't covered in some time. It's also called a comp token, C-O-M-P, that's the abbreviation if you want to look it up on your exchange. But I guess you could also find it by typing in Compound, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I wanted to check this out because it's up 10%, but it's also trying to break out kind of a significant key level. So I thought it would be interesting to see whether that's possible, and if that happens, what that would mean. So first of all, and again I have to do a disclosure, also I had to do it for the video before this on Quant. I do hold Compound. I do hold the comp token. I have done it for over a year. So if you think that kind of distorts my view on comp, that's fair, but I think I think I can still be objective about what's happening, because I don't really care about the short-term movements for my long-term portfolio. I don't think you should too, definitely not in a bear market. But yeah, so as we can see, the volume is relatively high compared to the market cap. It's at above 200 million, which is, yeah, that's relatively high. Also for cryptos in the top 100. So that's great. It's up 100%. Compound is reaching its max supply finally, because over time it was quite an inflationary token, which isn't necessarily bad, but still. So the major breakout I was talking about is breaking above this whole key level at around $56. As you can see, that was a major support level in May. And then it was also our local top, the 26th of June, when we had those bullish days after each other. I also had that rally, as you can see. So that's the main resistance level we would need to break. Now, do I think we can break that? Yes, I do think so. Is it easy to break it? No, it isn't. When would it become easy to break it is if Bitcoin actually gets above 22,000. If Bitcoin gets above 22,000, we'll break it easily, and we can easily get up to $64. That would be my next price target. Either way, if we break above $56, $64 or $65 is my price target. But I think in itself, for Compound, it's going to be hard, even though we already got a higher high than the 25th of June it actually was. Even though we already got a higher high, it's not looking like it's going to break that easily. We got a break retest off of $54, which is already inside the key area. But if Bitcoin keeps dropping like it is right now, I don't think Compound is going to break above that. And we'll drop down to $50. That might actually hold. And then we need to actually, within the next, let's say 2 days, we would need to have a strong move off of $50, breaking above $56. If we don't get that within the next few days, and we are still below $56, we're just going to drop down towards $45, and afterwards probably also start to drop down towards $40, because I would assume that if we don't get a strong bullish move off of $50 to propel us above $56 within the next 2 days, I would assume that Bitcoin is dropping too. And when Bitcoin is dropping, most of the market is still very correlated. Some cryptos can actually move independently, of course, from Bitcoin at some points of time. But yeah, I don't think Compound is strong enough. So it really depends on the market too. And for Compound, it's just breaking above that $56 level. That's the main thing we would need to do. If that happens, I think we could actually have a couple, at least a few couple nice bullish moves at the very least. And apart from that, we could also just continue the uptrend, which would be great too. So yeah, that is basically my analysis on Compound for now, I think. So if you do have any questions about anything I said or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.